Hi everyone, welcome to Chazs Lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this savory and delicious seafood gumbo. Stay tuned. For this recipe, I will be using some smoked turkey sausage, but you can use your favorite sausage of your choice. I'm going to saute this for a couple minutes, and I'm also going to add in olive oil to help release those flavors since the turkey sausage really doesn't have that much oil. Once I'm done with that, I will be removing the sausage after about 3 to 4 minutes of sauteing it on a medium heat. And I'm going to add in some vegetable oil. Next, I will be adding in my butter. Give that a quick mix. Now it's time to make our roux. So as I'm stirring in the flour, I'm just going to add in a little bit at a time. You don't want to add in too much. You want it to be smooth, not lumpy. So you will see me go in with a whisk to help break up those clumps and make a smooth roux. Now, making seafood gumbo, you want to make sure you take your time, okay? Not just to put your love and passion into this dish, because a roux takes a little bit of time. Now, once you have your roux going, you want to continuously stir with a wooden spatula or a baking type spoon for about 30 minutes, depending on how darkened you like your roux. So for me, I went in with a little bit more oil, just a little bit, but add to your liking, okay? So as it's smooth like that, after about 30 minutes, I went in with some minced fresh yellow onion, okay? We're gonna saute this for about 30 seconds. Now, after that 30 seconds, we'll go ahead and add the rest of our vegetables in the pot. Here I have minced celery. I also have minced green bell pepper, minced red bell pepper, After about an hour of this simmering, I turned the heat up slightly and I added in my raw shrimp. I also added in some gumbo file. I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, you don't want to cook your shrimp, but you also don't want your shrimp to be too soft. All right, so after that, I added in my snow crabs. Now, if you want to add in more crab or whatever you like, go ahead and do that. But this was perfectly fine for a couple servings. We're gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes and go ahead and cut your stove off. You want all those flavors to just soak up. I served mine with some white steamed rice and I garnished it with a little bit of chopped parsley. Look at that, so juicy and tender and so flavorful. This is perfect for the winter season. And then we're just going to go ahead and go in with some fresh chopped parsley and green onion. Give that a quick mix and go ahead and serve while it's hot. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chazs Cuisine Story.